Good morning to all of you. Today is the topic of volcano. First of all, what is the meaning of the volcano and how it is work? So now the volcano is the eruption in the interior part of the earth. Uh, the metal last time we discussed the three part of layer. First is crust and mantle and core, and the crust is the crust part is joined with some plates. Mm, if you know that the plate tectonic theory, the uh, the crust part is in the plates, and that plates are, if the both plates are near, uh, then the eruptions is create, and the volcanic eruption is created. The volcanic eruptions, uh, on the behalf of their volcanic eruptions, the magma is uh, flow out from the earth, and the volcanic conditions are created, and other landforms and rocks are created on the earth. And volcano, and there are some types of the volcanoes. First is shield volcanoes. It means the bearing the basalt flow. The shield volcanoes are largest of all the volcanoes on the earth. The Hawaii volcanoes are the most famous. Example, these volcanoes are mostly made up of the basalt, a type of lava that is very flat when the erupted. For this reason, these volcanic are not stiff, and they become the explosive if some, however, the water get into the vent, and the otherwise the characterized by the low expansive. I show you the shield volcanic, and the next is the composition. Volcanoes. Composition volcanoes. This type of volcanoes characteristics is the eruption of the cooling and the more Vesuvian lavas than the basalt. These volcanoes often result in the explosive eruptions along with the lava, large quantities of the pyroclastic material and the ashes find their way to the ground. This type of material is included in the composition of volcanoes. Here I here this is the picture of this volcano, composition volcanoes, and these are the some objects and some interior part of material which was erupted from the outside and become a like a shapes alag different shapes. And next is the caldera. These are the most explosive on the earth volcanic. These are usually so explosive that when the erupted they tend to collapse on themselves rather than building and any tall structure. The collapse dispersion are called the calders. Calders, I show you the this these all are the calders. In the starting form, the magma comes out, flow out from the earth, and it is like a blast, and including in this blast and the ashes and all the parts are come through from the interior part of the earth. And this part is the like in the volcanic forms. And next is flood basalt provinces. The flood basalt provinces these volcanoes outpour highly flood lava that flow of long distance. Some part of the world are covered by the thousands of the square kilometer of the thick basalt lava flow. They can be series of the flow with some flow attending thickness more than the 50 meter. And next is the here is the included the flood is related to the mud and the mid-oceanic ridge volcan. This type of volcanoes are related that the you know that uh, the related the mid-Atlantic ridge, that was the Atlantic ridge, you know very well. The mid-Atlantic ridge, the when the two plates are far from for the other side and the eruptions are comes through the in the center of the earth in interior part of the earth, and the ridge is spread and the area is spread and the mid-Atlantic ridge are generated. The volcanic occur the oceanic area. The system of the mid-Atlantic reach more than the 70,000 kilometers. That was the largest stress through at the oceanic basin. The center portion of the ridge experience frequent eruptions. We shall be discussing this in the detail in the next chapter. And in the volcanic landform also included in the volcanic landforms. Here we show the intensive forms, intrusive forms, that all depend on the when the igneous rocks are created. Uh, that are the process of when the lava comes from the earth. The cooling may take place either on the reaches on the surface or also while the lava is still in the crust portion. Depending on the location of the cooling of the lava, igneous rocks are classified the volcanic rocks and the plateau rocks. The lava that cools with the crustal portion assumed differ for the these forms are called the intensive forms. And there are some shapes that was on the batholith and laccolith and lapolith, phacolith and seals. These all are the forms of the intensive forms. And dike. So now when the magma comes from the interior part of the earth, the all the structures are created. In the if I show you the by the diagram, this is the part of the batholith forms. And when the lava comes from the interior part of the earth, the shapes are generated, in which we have to show that this is the part of the volcanic eruptions. And lapolith is the form in the shape of the lapolith. These are the seals, dike. When the vertical forms of the lava is called the dike, and the horizontal form is like a seal. And in the lapolith in the form of the oblique forms is of the shape is called the lapolith. Cinders, stalks, phacolith in the form like a shape of the we can say the shape of the UFO is called the phacolith. These all are the shapes which was related to the volcanic eruptions. After that, these all the process are created in the interior part of the earth. It was that was the part in the metal form. When the lava comes from the earth, and how many shapes are generated here, that all the shapes are generated. These are the intensive structures, intensive forms of the volcanic landforms. Okay, thank you.